Welcome to Scout Automobile. Today, we're diving into a car that's stirring up a lot of excitement among enthusiasts and casual drivers alike, the 2025 Mazda RX-3. A name from the past reborn with modern engineering, the RX-3 is more than just a revival. It's Mazda's bold statement that the Rotary engine still has a place in the future of performance. For those who remember the original RX-3 from the 1970s, this new model brings a heavy dose of nostalgia, but it also steps confidently into the modern age with cutting-edge technology and a refined, aggressive design. The 2025 RX-3 isn't trying to just mimic the past, it's reinterpreting it with the tools of today. Let's start with what's under the hood. Yes, the Rotary engine is back. Mazda has spent years perfecting a new generation of this unique power plant, and the RX-3 is the first production model to showcase it. The 2025 version uses a compact twin-rotor setup paired with a mild hybrid system. The result is a high-revving, lightweight engine that produces around 300 horsepower, with smooth, linear acceleration and that unmistakable rotary hum that enthusiasts love. The hybrid element helps with torque delivery at lower RPMs and improves fuel economy, solving two of the biggest complaints about earlier Rotaries. In terms of performance, the RX-3 is built on Mazda's new lightweight rear-wheel drive platform. It handles beautifully, precise, responsive, and balanced, with a near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution. Mazda has kept the car nimble, with a curb weight just under 3,000 pounds. That's rare for a performance car these days, especially one with modern safety and tech features. Coupled with a 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 8-speed automatic, the RX-3 gives drivers real control over the experience and a strong connection between the driver, the machine, and the road. On the design front, the RX-3 blends heritage with evolution. The body is low-slung and muscular, with wide rear haunches and a slightly tapered front end that nods to the original's styling cues. The circular LED taillights are a direct homage to the 1970s RX-3, but everything else is modern. Sharp lines, sculpted panels, and a bold, aggressive grille. It looks fast even when it's standing still. Inside, the RX-3 is all about the driver. The cockpit is focused and functional, with a minimalist layout that doesn't skimp on quality. High-end materials like Alcantara, leather, and brushed aluminum are used throughout, and the infotainment system is streamlined for ease of use. A digital driver's display shows everything from Rotary-specific RPM graphics to G-force meters and real-time power distribution. It's tech-forward, but without overwhelming the driver with clutter. Mazda has also taken sustainability seriously with the 2025 RX-3. The Rotary engine, once known for its emissions challenges, has been re-engineered, with a cleaner burning design and emissions control systems that meet the latest global standards. The hybrid integration means it qualifies for eco-incentives in several markets, a clever way to give the Rotary engine a new lease on life in a changing regulatory landscape. Now let's talk numbers. Pricing is expected to start around $38,000, making the RX-3 one of the most affordable performance coupes in its class. That puts it in direct competition with cars like the Toyota GR86, Subaru BRZ, and even the Nissan Z. But with its unique powertrain and heritage badge, the RX-3 stands apart. It's not just another sports car, it's a statement. Driving enthusiasts have been asking for years when Mazda would bring back the Rotary, and while many assumed the company had moved on, the 2025 RX-3 proves that Mazda never gave up. They were just waiting for the right moment. That moment is now. With a compelling blend of performance, design, innovation, and emotion, the RX-3 is not only a tribute to the past, but a vision of the future. If you're a fan of spirited driving, engineering that breaks the mold, and cars that deliver soul with every rev, the 2025 Mazda RX-3 is going to be hard to ignore. It's lightweight, it's responsive, and most importantly, it's fun. Mazda has reignited the Rotary flame, and with the RX-3, they've done it in style. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and auto news. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your roads open.